How do you say Wednesday in Portuguese? The word Wednesday in Portuguese is quarta-feira. Quarta-feira. Tenho aulas a quarta-feira. Tenho aulas a quarta-feira. I have classes on Wednesday. Quarta-feira é feriado. Quarta-feira é feriado. Wednesday is a holiday. Hoje é quarta. Hoje é quarta. Today is Wednesday. The word quarta means fourth in Portuguese, and that's because it's the fourth day of the week, if you start from Sunday. Sunday is the first, Monday is the second, Tuesday is the third, and Wednesday is the fourth. And oftentimes, people in Portugal simply refer to Wednesday as quarta. Quarta. But if you want to say Wednesday in Portuguese, you can say quarta-feira. Quarta-feira. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course, 3-Minute Portuguese, at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado.